Remember, always dip, wipe, swipe. Okay? Now I'm going to level off the cake. So I'm going to bring the edges down. Just lightly, like so. And then I'm going to work it into the sides. Okay? Just like so. Like I said, if the cake's too heavy, you can set it on something. For instance, even a bowl. But be careful, make sure you don't knock it off. You'll have a cheesecake mess, but everything you can repair. Cheesecakes are very forgiving to work with. Okay. There we go, we're almost around. Cake will be ready for topping shortly. Looks good. Okay, that looks good. Don't work it too much, go around it once or twice. It's not exactly level, but what you'll find when we top this, it's going to look perfect. So, we have this ready. I'm going to put this back in the refrigerator and we will get our toppings ready.